When windows start showing signs of wear, homeowners are often faced with an important decision. Should you repair the existing windows or replace them entirely? Both options can be beneficial in the right situations, but choosing the wrong one can lead to ongoing frustration and unnecessary costs. For homeowners in Coppell, understanding when window repair is enough, and when replacement makes more sense, can help protect comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. When window repair is a practical solution, window repair is often the right choice when issues are minor and isolated. Problems such as small cracks, worn weather stripping, loose hardware, or difficulty opening and closing a window can sometimes be addressed without replacing the entire unit. In Coppell homes, repair may be appropriate if the windows are relatively new and still performing well overall. A targeted repair can restore functionality and extend the life of the window without a major investment. Signs repairs may only be a temporary fix. While repairs can solve small problems, they may not address deeper issues. If windows are drafty, fogged between panes, or contributing to rising energy bills, repairs may only offer short-term relief. For Coppell homeowners, repeated repairs can quickly add up, especially when underlying problems like failing seals or outdated glass remain unresolved. When window replacement becomes the smarter choice, window replacement is often the better option when windows are older or showing multiple signs of deterioration. Issues such as persistent drafts, water intrusion, condensation between panes, or warped frames usually indicate that replacement is the most effective long-term solution. In Coppell homes, replacing inefficient windows can significantly improve indoor comfort and eliminate ongoing maintenance concerns. Comfort and energy efficiency considerations. One of the biggest differences between repair and replacement is energy performance. Older windows, even when repaired, may not meet modern efficiency standards. Replacement windows are designed with advanced glass, improved insulation, and tighter seals. For Coppell homeowners, this means more consistent indoor temperatures and reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. Cost versus long-term value. At first glance, repairs may seem more affordable. However, ongoing repair costs can surpass the investment of replacement over time. For Coppell homes, replacement windows often deliver better long-term value by reducing energy bills, minimizing maintenance, and improving overall performance. Appearance and home value impact. Aesthetics also play a role in the decision. Repairing older windows won't update their appearance, while replacement offers a chance to enhance curb appeal and interior design. In Coppell neighborhoods, updated windows can contribute to higher property value and a more modern look. Safety and noise reduction benefits. Older windows may not provide adequate sound insulation or safety features. Replacement windows often include improved locking systems and noise-reducing glass. For Coppell homeowners, this can lead to quieter interiors and greater peace of mind. Making the right choice for your home. Every home is different, and the right decision depends on window age, condition, and performance goals. A professional assessment can help determine whether repair or replacement is the best path forward. In Coppell homes, expert guidance ensures homeowners invest wisely and avoid unnecessary expenses. A thoughtful approach to window decisions. Choosing between window replacement and repair doesn't have to be overwhelming. Repairs can work for minor issues, but replacement offers lasting comfort, efficiency, and value when windows are outdated or failing. For Coppell homeowners, understanding the long-term impact of each option helps ensure the right decision for a more comfortable and efficient home.